In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp better with hidden features, part 2. If you're looking to keep your workspace clean, organized, and efficient, without losing important information, these simple techniques will help you get more out of your ClickUp setup. To begin, navigate to your workspace and open the list where your tasks are stored. Once your list is fully visible, you might notice tasks that are no longer active or relevant. While it may be tempting to delete them right away, a smarter approach is to archive instead. Archiving allows you to remove tasks from your main view without permanently losing them, which can be incredibly helpful if you ever need to reference them later. To archive a task, open the task options by clicking on the three-dot menu. From the drop-down that appears, select the Archive option. This action will hide the task from your active workspace while still keeping it mahfuz and accessible in the background. It's a simple way to reduce clutter while maintaining a complete history of your work. If you ever need to revisit those archived tasks, you can easily bring them back into view. Return to the same three-dot menu and look for the option that allows you to display archived items. Once selected, you'll be able to see all archived tasks without disrupting your current workflow. This makes it easy to review past work whenever necessary. Now, let's move on to another useful feature that helps maintain a clean workspace, and that's managing your trash. Over time, deleted items can accumulate and take up unnecessary space, so it's a good idea to clear them out regularly. To do this, click on your profile icon, typically located at the top corner of your dashboard. This will open a menu where you can access the trash section. Inside the trash, review the items that have been removed. If you're certain that you no longer need them, you can proceed with clearing everything. Select the option to remove all items from the trash, then confirm by choosing to delete them permanently. This step ensures that your workspace remains streamlined and free from unnecessary clutter. By using archiving instead of deleting, and by regularly clearing your trash, you can maintain a well-organized and efficient ClickUp environment. These small adjustments can make a big difference in how smoothly your workflow operates. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.